Today we're going to go over the stretch strap from Walmart. Our client today has sore hamstrings, so we're just going to go through a couple hamstring exercises. You're going to get the stretch strap. You're going to find the loop farthest away, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it around your head, grab with your right hand in a strap, and then you're going to allow your foot to fall to the side. Keep your foot dorsiflexed and go down as far as you can comfortably. Pain scale, you're gonna probably try and stay at about a 6. You feel it in your hamstrings, some groin, and just sit there for about 30 seconds, okay? Next stretch you're gonna do, you're gonna come back up, disconnect it, put your foot down. You're gonna bring your foot up towards you. You're gonna find it a happy medium in the loops, and then you're gonna get a distance to where you can pull towards you, to where you're pulling your feet up towards you. Foot dorsiflexed, knees straight. You're gonna exhale and really pull towards you. You should feel it in your hamstrings. Just a couple hamstring exercises, or stretches for the stretch strap from Walmart. Thank you.